In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Wise to Chime. Connecting these accounts is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. First, you'll want to open the Wise app on your mobile device or sign in to your Wise account on the website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. This is your starting point, whether you're on the go or sitting comfortably at your computer. Once you're in your Wise account, navigate to your profile icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a menu where you can access your account settings. Click on Settings to proceed. This is where you can manage all of the different aspects of your Wise account, including your payment methods. Next, look for the Payment Methods option. Once you've found it, tap on it, and you'll see an option called Connected Bank Accounts. Selecting this will bring you to a page where you can manage your existing connections and add new ones. This is where we'll be linking your Chime account. Now, choose the option that says Connect Bank Account. Here, you'll need to specify the currency you'll be using. Since we're connecting to Chime, you'll want to select United States dollars as the currency. After that, type in Chime in the search bar. This helps Wise know exactly which bank you're looking to connect. With Chime selected, tap on Connect Bank Account. At this point, Wise will guide you through a series of prompts to log into your Chime account. It's important to follow these prompts carefully to ensure that the connection is established correctly. You might be asked to enter your Chime login details, so make sure you have them handy. If you're prompted with a message saying, "Click here to access your bank," go ahead and click it. This is part of the verification process to securely link your accounts. Completing this step is crucial, as it ensures that Wise and Chime are properly connected and able to communicate with each other. And that's it. Your Wise and Chime accounts are now connected. You can now enjoy the convenience of managing your finances across these platforms seamlessly. By following these steps, you've successfully linked your Wise and Chime accounts, making it easier than ever to handle your transactions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.